So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in gpupdate space /force and click on enter. Now once that's been done, you want to type in chkdsk space c:/ space /r and click on enter again. Then you want to type in y and then click on enter again. Now for the last command, we're going to type in sfc space /scannow and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you can just minimize this. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters, and then you want to right click on your graphics card and click on update driver, and then click on search responsive for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. I'm also going to leave 3 links down below for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. So for me I have an NVIDIA graphics card and I downloaded GeForce Experience. Now once you're in your software, you want to click on the drivers tab and then click on check for updates. Make sure that you have the latest drivers installed. Now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now you want to copy these 4 commands which I'll leave down below in the description. So first is going to be prompt. Just copy and paste it right here. Now for the next one is going to be this one. Now for the next one. Now I'm just going to type in the last one, which is going to be assoc. Click on enter. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.